Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to talk about operators in Python. So operators are used when you want to do operation between two variables or data. Okay. So first we are going to learn about arithmetic operators. So what arithmetic operator will do? Example for we have a two operands. Okay, so what is operands? Operand is a new word for us. So I am taking example x. Let's see, x is equal to 3 and y equal to 6. Okay, so in arithmetic operators, we have operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and floor division. Okay, so first one is addition. So I am explaining you that what is an operand. So example for if I do like this x plus y. So you can here see this, okay, x plus y. So here x and y both are our operands and the plus sign is our operators. Okay, so this is our basic operator. So if I do like this, print x plus y, so it will give me addition of two numbers x plus y. So this is just basically addition operator in arithmetic operators. Okay, so another one is subtraction. If I do like this x minus y, so here x and y both are our operands and minus sign is our operator, that is a subtraction operator. Okay, so now I'm going to run our code. So you can see this is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 is our answer. So when we subtract 3 from 6, so it will give us minus 3. Okay, so third one is our multiplication operator. So we can do like this, x multiply y. Okay, so it will give us 18. Okay, so now we have another operator that is called division operator, x division by y. So this is just basically division operator. It example for here 3 divided by 6, it will gives us 0.5. The another one is flow division. So what is the flow division? X double division double y. Okay, so flow division return us value without a decimal point, that means integer value. So now I'm going to run this code. So you can see this, it is returning a 0. So what is the difference between division and flow division? So I'm going to explain you with an example. So here x is equal to 12 and our y is equal to 6. So if I do normal division, x divided y. So now I am going to run this code. So it is returning us 2.0, that is our float value, the value with a decimal point. Now I am going to perform floor division, x double division y. So it will return us value without a decimal point, that is a integer. Okay, so if I choose 11 divided by 6, x divided by y is equal to 1.8333 and x double divided y, that is a flow division, that answer is 1. So that is a main difference between division and a flow division. Okay, so now this is our arithmetic operators. Okay, so we have a different operator like a comparison operator. So what comparison operator will do? In comparison operator we have operator like greater than equal to, less than equal to, double equal to, greater than, and less than. So what that all mean? Okay, so example for, so I am going to first comment down all these things. So I have a x is equal to 5 and y equal to 5. Now I am going to perform double equal to operation, x double equal to y. So what it will do? So basically it will check that if value of x and y both are same, then it will return us true. Otherwise it will return us false. Example, for here I am changing value of y. So it will return as false. Okay, so we can see that value of x and y both are not same, that's why it is returning as false. So another operator is greater than equal to. So what it will do, greater than equal to y. First, it will check that our value x is greater than y or not. If yes, then it will return us true. Or our value x is equal to y or not. If our value x is greater than or y, greater than y, or x is equal to y, then it will return us true. Otherwise, it will return us false. So now I am going to run this code. So you can see this, it is giving us true because our x is greater than y. If I change the value of x and doing for, so you can see this, it is giving us true. But what if I increment the value of y and doing 8? So now our condition become false, that x is not greater than y or x is not same as y. So it is giving us false. Okay. So another operators is x less than equal to y. So it is the same as x greater than equal to y. Okay. So it will first check that if x is less than y or x is equal to y, then it will return us true. Otherwise, it will return us false. So you can see this, it is giving us true because our value x is less than of y. Okay. So our value x is 4 and y is 8. So another one is greater than sign. So it just basically check that our value y is greater than x or not. X greater than y, that means it will check x is greater than y or not. Here our x is 4 and y is 8. So you can see that our value x is not greater than y, x is less than y. That's why it is giving us false. So what happen if I change our value x and increment it? Okay. So now you can see this, it is giving us true because now our value x is greater than y. The another is x less than y. So it will just basically check that if our x is less than y or not. If our x is less than y, then it will return us true. Otherwise it will return us false. So here our x is 12 and y is 8. So here x is not greater than, so here x is greater than y. Okay. So it is giving us false because here we write that x less than y. If I change the value of x and do for, then it will return us true because our x is now less than y. Okay. So this is basically comparison operator. In this video we have learned about arithmetic operator and comparison operators. Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can ask me in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our channel.